All right. Okay. Number 3. You ready? You ready, Big Jan?
Mm-hmm.
4 people were arrested in 2003 for attempting to transport 114 pounds of cocaine and 800 pounds of marijuana by stuffing the drugs inside a bunch of yams. Is this Miami or London?
Yams? London.
She got them yams. Why do you think it's London and not Miami?
Because I don't fucking grow yams anywhere near Florida.
You can buy yams in Florida.
Yeah, I mean, like, but they don't like import yams overseas to Florida. I don't know. I'm just gonna stick with London.
It's London. You're right. She's so like, what, girl?